Hey guys, good morning. I am super excited to do a lip show today. I've got some colors to do this lovely morning. So I use this scrub. You can also use witch hazel to clean your lips. You can also just use soap and a toothbrush and warm water. It's not required to wash your lips before applying, but I like to do it. So you want your lips to be dry. I gotta go. Okay, Mojave's gonna be on the bottom. So you shake it up. Sounds good. Once you shake it up, plum yesterday. I found out plum is very hard to take off, but it's very pretty. Yeah, I know, right? It really bonds to your lips. To Mojave? Okay. Then you let it dry. Shake it up a little bit more. Apply again. Then you let it dry. Okay, once it dries, put Glossy Gloss. Kind of like it. You can see where I missed my lip. So I'm going to correct it with Oops Remover. actually, I didn't miss my lip. It just looked like that on the on the thing. In the mirror it doesn't. So I like it. And then the test. No color. Just gloss. So Mojave and rose eyes.